Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of formulas not working in Excel in a very simple way. In order to do that, I have created here a sheet which I have simply created mathematical calculations, and here are the formulas in the E column. But as you can see, we cannot work it and nothing is working properly. First step, we have to check if the formulas are calculated automatically from where. We're going to File, from upper menu, and from upper menu we're clicking Options here, down left, and from Formulas, we're coming to Formulas, we're checking to Workbook Calculation. As you can see here, it's manually. We have to set it to automatic, and then we're pressing OK. And we're coming once again to our formula and we're pressing Enter. As you can see now, our formula is working properly. And lastly, we have to check if the cell contains any formatting of text. In order to check this, we are coming to Home section from upper menu. And from here, as you can see, in E section, we have the text formatting in the cell. We're clicking left, saying format cells. We can do general like this, pressing OK, or you can do it from the upper section like this here from Home section, which were text, and you can switch it to general. We're coming once again to formula by pressing Enter, and as you can see now, our formula is working fine. But here we have to remove the apostrophe, and here once again it is okay to go. So the video was like this. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Thank you for watching once again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.